best way to track PPC performance is by using a proven framework that allows you to set clear goals and monitor their achievement. A popular choice among PPC specialists is the Objectives and Key Results Framework, or OKR for short. Objectives provide a strategic roadmap to align marketing teams with organizational goals. Key results measure progress towards these objectives and indicate future success. KPIs, or Key Performance Indicators, are often confused with OKRs, but serve different purposes. KPIs are specific metrics that measure campaign performance, such as CPC or CTR, while OKRs are broader goals that guide strategy. However, KPIs can also be integrated into the OKR framework to track the key results you set out to achieve. Now, let's talk about how to set effective PPC OKRs and KPIs. First, you need to define clear objectives for your ad campaign that are specific, qualitative, achievable, and time-bound, like increase brand visibility among potential customers by the end of the quarter. Next, identify measurable KPIs to achieve these objectives. For example, aim for 10 million impressions, a 20% increase in branded search traffic, and a minimum CTR of 2.5%. Also, align your PPC efforts with organizational goals to ensure your campaigns drive meaningful results. Focus on the areas where you can have the biggest impact. Finally, decide how you collect data to track your goals. You have a few options. Manually exporting data from each PPC platform and consolidating it is an option, but this is time-consuming, but can work if you don't do it too often. For regular tracking, automate data exports using platforms like Coupler.io. Schedule your data to be regularly sent into a spreadsheet or database and calculate the KPIs you need. Alternatively, use a free PPC dashboard template that automatically calculates your metrics and provides a visual overview of your OKRs. I'll explain how to get such a dashboard later in this video. Okay, enough with the theory now. Let's now talk about some practical examples of PPC OKRs. The choice will very much depend on what you're trying to achieve with your ads, so I'm going to discuss different scenarios. First, consider an e-commerce sales scenario. Your objective might be to drive online sales revenue through PPC campaigns. To make this specific, you can set the following key results. Achieve an ROI of 400% on ad spend, indicating strong profitability. Maintain a CTR of 3.5% or higher to attract potential customers. Increase the conversion rate by 20% compared to the previous quarter. Achieve an average order value of $40, aligning with or exceeding the store's average. Ads are often used to boost brand awareness. Here, your objective can be to increase brand visibility and recognition among potential customers through PPC ads. The key results could be as follows. Achieve 20 million impressions with a CPM under $10 in new markets. Increase brand-related search queries by 30%. Maintain a CTR of 2.5% or higher across all channels to engage users effectively. Now let's talk about B2B lead generation. An objective could be to generate qualified leads and conversions from PPC campaigns targeting business customers. Here are some key results you could consider. Generate 200 leads with a cost per lead below $150. Achieve a lead-to-sale conversion rate of 15%. Maintain a CPC of $8 or lower for cost-effective lead acquisition. Achieve a landing page conversion rate of 10% through precise targeting and messaging. When launching mobile apps or releasing a breakthrough version, PPC specialists often run ads to attract new users. In such a scenario, your objective could be to drive downloads and user engagement for a mobile app through the PPC campaigns. The key results could be achieve 50,000 app installs within the first month with a CPI under $2. Maintain an average app retention rate of 45% after 30 days. Increase in-app purchases by 25% compared to the previous version, indicating strong user engagement. And as a last example, let's look at a local service provider that wants to attract customers through PPC campaigns. The objective can be to increase bookings through PPC advertising. The key results can be: achieve a booking conversion rate of 12% from PPC ads. Maintain a CPC of $6 or lower for cost-effective customer acquisition. Increase total bookings by 35% compared to the previous quarter. Achieve a customer satisfaction rate of 90% or higher to drive repeat business and ensure service quality. Each of the key results I mentioned includes one or more key performance indicators. Tracking these KPIs is crucial when implementing the OKR process, and having a dashboard like the one I showed you earlier can significantly streamline your workflow. The template is customizable to fit your specific needs. You can easily swap out the metrics displayed on scorecards to align with your OKRs, or add additional metrics as needed. Monitor the daily fluctuations of your KPIs and track key metrics separately for each PPC channel. The dashboard allows you to sort and filter data by individual channels, providing clear insights into campaign performance. To make this PPC template yours, follow the README tab. Sign up for a free Coupler.io account. No credit card is required. Then connect all the platforms that you use, adding them one by one. Once connected, preview your data on the next screen and apply filters or sorting as needed. Then you can seamlessly send your data to your preferred platform. For Looker Studio, generate a data source, connect your data, and create a report just like this one. We also offer this template for Power BI, Tableau, and Google Sheets, which includes an additional tab for tracking your advertising budget. Find links to each of these dashboard templates in the video description below. And that's it. Now you know how to set PPC OKRs. But if you still have any questions, then feel free to ask them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.